It is clearly a Kangana Jaya jung because after Jaya Bachchan slammed those vilifying allegedly the whole film industry, actor Kangana Ranaut, who's been vocal lately on social media, launched a fresh attack on the veteran actor. Referring to Jaya Bachchan's "don't poke holes in the thali that feeds you" comment, referring to "don't tarnish the industry that gives you bread and butter," Kangana made a reference to casting couch now in the industry. Kangana Ranaut says that the thali, the plate, that Jaya Bachchan refers to, abused women actors, gave them an item number only, and that too after sleeping with heroes were roles given. Kangana then has gone on to say that she was the one who started to teach feminism and women empowerment to the industry, and that she made her own thali and was not given by anybody else. Veteran actor and Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament Jaya Bachchan, remember, on Tuesday had charged that film industry is being defamed, tarnished, slammed. Those from the industry itself are indulging in it, drilling holes into the very plate that fed them.
People who have made their name in this film industry have called it a gutter, and I hope the government tells these people who have made their earning, name and fame in this industry to stop using such language. The entertainment industry always comes forward to help the government in whatever good work that the government takes up. Just because there are few people, you cannot tarnish the image of the entire industry.
Right.
I was really embarrassed and ashamed that yesterday one of our members in the Lok Sabha spoke, who is from the industry, against, I'm not taking a name, against the film industry.
All right, so Pia Hingorani is now joining me on that for the big fight that has come over a plate. So Pia, many would say that what Kangana has said is also correct, that it was not really people like Kangana who may have been given a platter and she had to make her own struggle for it. But is it the choice of words now? Do you think the platter will now be the new phrase for the camp war in film industry?
Well, absolutely, Pooja. But, very interestingly, Jaya Bachchan has not really taken names. But at the same time, Kangana has taken whatever she has said very personally. And it's interesting to note that, Kangana has also spoken about nepotism. She has spoken about the outsider debate in the past as well. And for that fact that, she has, carved a niche for herself in Bollywood, be it through her films, be it through her, the causes that she supports. But however, lashing out at a senior member from the film industry with such words does not come, from a very good place. At the same time, she has, highlighted a very interesting part that, perhaps women don't get that much limelight unless, they are a part of the industry or they have to suck up to the heroes.
Yes.
While having said that, but at the same time, perhaps, a better use of words, which is what even Jaya Bachchan said in Parliament. She does not, like the kind of language that is being used against the industry. And this is exactly what she meant when she said that.
So what has Kangana basically said, Pia, also tell us? Because what Jaya Bachchan said, it's a platter, a plate that was given by the film industry to young actors, and they're now drilling holes into that same plate. She instead says, nobody gave me a thali.
Absolutely. What she's also trying to say is that she's a self-made woman in the industry and even otherwise. But at the same time, she's also said that that same platter, if offered to other heroines, they have to sleep with heroes to get even an item number or a 2-minute role in the films. And that is what is troublesome to Kangana. But at the same time, she's also pointing out that she has reached wherever she has. She has been fighting for, feminism in the industry. She's done films like Manikarnika and Queen and other, where highlighting the plight of women. While she has taken up the baton of feminism through her films.
I have an added question quickly here, because why is it that Kangana is not getting a lot of support this time if this is such a valid issue? Because it seems more people and actors are speaking in support of the thali phrase of Jaya Bachchan.
Well, absolutely. We've seen a lot of people like Taapsee Pannu, Anubhav Sinha, who are also outsiders, who are actually supporting Jaya Bachchan merely because of the language that is being used to tarnish the image or defame the image of Bollywood, be it drugs, the Bollywood mafia, or even otherwise. things can also be approached in a nice way without, like Jaya Bachchan said, defaming the industry, when this industry has brought fame and recognition on an international level to India.
Okay, that's an important view. So now, Papia, stay on with me.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.